I got all my sisters with me. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel where we take old clothes and make it fashion! We have something to celebrate, the end of an era called the world. And to celebrate this time we will make a post-apocalyptic pants. In my head this intro made so much sense. It's a little depressing. This pants is gonna be the base of our project. So it's best to just not prepare, start recording and panic because you can't really find the right stuff. It is 100% polyester, aka plastic, which...
But for this project, you do want to use a synthetic fabric.
Theoretically, we want to find a bottom part more or less the same width of leg, so you could do yellow on the bottom.
Is that weird?
Well, we do not really have to decide yet, because we're first gonna prepare the top part. We'll start with deciding where we want the legs to be cropped, chopped, sliced off. I'm just first gonna place some pins as markings. And if this looks a little bit random to you, that might be because it is. So you might want to have a little look in the mirror. If that length is even flattering.
You can't cut it on again.
Which I skipped because everything looks flattering on me anyway. So... what? And if you've been on my channel before, you've already seen what's going on. Fusible Adhesive is going on. How in the Fleece Fix are they not sponsoring my channel? I'm just gonna quickly use the iron. Apocalypse is not really gonna be symmetrical, in my humble opinion. But you do you. Adhesive. Adhesive? Is that a word? Adhesive. Yeah, I think so. Using a sheet of baking paper in between to prevent it from sticking to my iron.
A few moments later.
Theoretically, if you cover the whole piece correctly, repeat on all sides.
Run.
Okay, that's more or less a success. In an ideal world, you might want to do that a little more nicely than me. Cut the adhesive in the same shape as how you cut the leg off. However, in an ideal world, we also wouldn't have an apocalypse, so...
Just saying.
So, I have my favorite object in the house, the heat gun.
First.
I'm gonna practice a little on this leg that I cut off to see how the fabric reacts. To burn holes on this finger, I'm not joking. Don't do that at home. So, blowing the fabric away. What's my tactic, you may wonder? Well, I'm doing everything on my tippy toes to not wake up the dog. But if you happen to do so, don't worry, just throw treats at it. You'll be fine. Oh, you meant the pants? No, I am... no tactic. The smell is not that awesome. And probably not too healthy. So I'm just going outside to burn some more. Oh my god, there's a wasp nest here though. Oh my god, they're getting angry. It's so weird. Burn, baby, burn. Oh, you can see that the edges are really getting super hard. I don't know. Sticky stuff on there. We don't want to glue it together though. Okay, I have a double function kind of thing because I can hold this in between the pants. But I can also protect myself with this thing in case I get attacked by the wasp. In case you're like, what, is that not plastic? Then please, shh, I was just gonna say that. Uh-oh, oh my god, that's also plastic. Yeah, don't do that.
Hello.
Oh my god, don't blow it in my face, man. Yeah, don't do that. I'm risking my life just to get 100 views on YouTube. Don't do that. It's insane, the things people do. Midterm evaluation, it's looking like a hot mess. Where did I hear that before? Oh, my evaluation at work. Anyway, guess we're right on track. Okay, so I found this linen brown pants. Bought it one time for very cheap. I'm gonna use the legs. What I love about linen is that it's chronically wrinkled. Just like your face. Did I say that out loud? I thought I was just thinking it. You can use the length of the old pants to decide the length of the new pants. At this point, I thought it might be fun to even elongate a little. Turned out that then, width of the legs wouldn't really match up from top to bottom.
Which potentially, theoretically, in an ideal world,
Could be solved by just, well, taking in the inner or outer seam. But I could not really be bothered. I had an excuse. I was in a mental state that, well, what you could call, lazy. Well, post-apocalyptic it is.
Bruh.
Let's see what happens if I pin it in. And we'll little try on to see if the legs are still of the correct length. So, did it fit exactly 100%?
Not really.
Did the pants maybe shrink a little too much under my melting torture?
could be.
Did I just solve that pretty nicely with some vertical cuts?
Pretty much.
Does anybody have to know?
Nobody's gonna know.
That's what I thought. It's between us, isn't it? I don't want to be rude, but I think I win, guys. The leg is in there. Is it gonna be weird? Yes. Is it gonna be end of the world? Yes. Well. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? To burn that pants a little bit more. But first, a little bit of baking paper in between, because otherwise it's gonna all stick together. Gotta keep those legs spreaded. Open the window and the door and the other window. Turn on the fan.
One eternity later.
Oh, you got the grill. The only thing that I don't want for it to shrink a lot more. The interfacing will stick on the liner now. Maybe I shouldn't do it with Carlos though. Why does it smell like burnt hair now? Oh guys, oh man, sorry. Nothing's happening, but I'm just panicking. Okay, I'm just gonna take this lid to use as a little thing to press instead of Carlos. Add heat, press, stress, relax, or something. Oh, it's a little hot. Whew. Okay, let's not use the lid. Man, maybe the back of this grave candle. I'm just trying to apply as much heat and pressure as possible without sending this pants to the graveyard. I don't know really what I'm doing, guys. All I know is that I'm doing. If I die, at least the candle is already taken care of.
Always look on the bright side of life.
Where's my candle? I'm burning my pins. And whatever you do, just don't forget to breathe. Uh-oh, did I just forget to put paper in between? Maybe. Look guys, I don't think this is my lucky pants because if you think it looks more trash than before, it is. I fell off my bike, it was raining, it was dramatic. There's some stains, just don't look at them please. It's a little rough. Let me know what you think and don't forget to subscribe, like the video to support the channel, comment, say hello, post Apocalyptic mess, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh baby, you want me? Oh baby, you want me?